Hello friends, Instagram has started rolling out a new feature called Take a Break across countries. The Take a Break feature essentially gives users an option to set up reminders to take a break after a certain amount of time. Let's get started and keep watching till the end. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on your activity. Select the time tab on the top. Tap on set a reminder to take breaks. Now tap on the time limit after which you wish to receive a reminder to take breaks. From here you can choose 30 minutes, 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Let's select 10 minutes and tap on done. Now start scrolling. After 10 minutes, you will get this kind of reminder from Instagram. You can edit reminder by tapping on the edit reminder button or tap on done. Hope this video helps you. Please to subscribe my channel by tapping on the subscribe button. Also tap on the bell icon to receive notification for all new videos. That's it. Thank you for watching.